Hey Nash, what should we make?
We should do more recipes that people could serve at parties like Super Bowl parties. Let's make spinach artichoke cups. It's like the dip and the chip in one.
All right, let's make spinach artichoke cups. Today, we have another kind of a party dish you could bring to a Super Bowl party, serve at your own party, bring to any gathering, serve at any gathering, or just have as an appetizer if you had some friends or family over, or just for your family. So today, we're making spinach artichoke cups. It's kind of a spin on an artichoke dip with like bread or chips or whatever to serve it with, to dip in it. But we're gonna use wonton wrappers, and then once they bake, they'll be nice and crispy, so you'll have the chip and the artichoke dip all in one bite, or two bites, depending, I guess, how big your mouth is. I don't know. Anyways, it's gonna be good, it's gonna be quick, it's gonna be easy, something you could totally serve to a group of people. And hey, without further ado, let's go. All right, so we start with a mini muffin tray or tin or whatever. This one's like a silicone deal, so I just put it on a pan for some support. Spray this with some cooking spray. Then we take wonton wrappers. You wanna kind of be careful, so you don't wanna break them, but just kind of wanna push them down and then just kind of go with whatever folds make it. And then we wanna make sure the bottoms are flat. So like that. There's probably a prettier way to do this, but oh well. Pretty's not really my thing. While you're doing this, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. I'm gonna hit these one more time with cooking spray. And then we're gonna bake these for about 5 minutes. We just want them to get firm. We don't want them to get brown or too crispy or anything like that. That'll come in the second round of cooking. Then we take some frozen spinach that has been thawed and drained. We just kind of chop this up. Then we take a can of artichoke hearts, also drained, chop this up. And then we grate about a half a cup of Monterey Jack. We grab our bowl that has our spinach and artichokes in it. We add that grated Monterey Jack, half a brick of softened cream cheese, and we grate in about a half a cup of Parmesan, a quarter cup of mayonnaise, the zest of a lemon, the juice of that same lemon, a little bit of hot sauce of your choice, a few cloves of garlic, pinch of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit more garlic. We gotta have multiple forms of garlic, right? And then we just stir to combine. Whoops, yeah, don't do that. Then we bring back our wonton wrappers and we just spoon our filling into these little wonton deals, like that. Once all our guys are filled, back in the oven until the edges turn golden brown and everything is set, cheese is melted, about 14 minutes, depending on your oven. All right, here's what we got out of the oven. Looks pretty good, these little guys. And there we have our beautiful little spinach artichoke cups. Time for a bite. Cheers. Really good. It's literally just like the chip and the artichoke spinach dip all in one. So perfect for like appetizers to serve at a party, Super Bowl parties, because Super Bowl is right around the corner. But really any party, any gathering, appetizers, it's great. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10. The only thing I would recommend doing differently is this is the first time I've ever used that silicone muffin pan. Some of the bottoms didn't get quite as crispy as I would have liked. So I'm thinking maybe a metal pan gets hotter, like a metal mini muffin tin. Say that 5 times fast. Might get hotter on the bottom, so it might actually cook the bottoms better, but I don't know, just a thought. But other than that, fantastic. I recommend you go try it. Speaking of trying it, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I could use a pedicure, but I'm pretty darn good, bro.
We got these little spinach artichoke cups. Here you go. What do you think?
Ooh, the richness from the cheeses, the brightness from the lemon, and the crunch from that wonton. These are delicious.
Anything you'd like to say to your fans?
There are basically 2 types of people. People who accomplish things and people who claim to have accomplished things. The first group is less crowded.
Nash approves, I approve. Look, it's a great dish. You got the spinach and the artichokes and a bunch of the different cheeses. It's very cheesy. And then you get a little bit of zing from that lemon, which I really like. And then the hot sauce. I would add a lot more hot sauce next time, but not a requirement. different, just my taste. Anyways, highly recommend go try it. Super easy to make, comes together really quick, and I think it'll be a big crowd pleaser. But hey, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you, love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that would help us out, mean a lot to us. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments, or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com, send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.